Hi. So, if your computer is making a lot of noise, you might be having trouble with your air intake, or you might need to add more fans to your PC so it has better airflow. But there are always some software fixes that you can do to kind of reduce the noise. If the noise is the main issue, I'm guessing if there is a lot of noise, there can be issues with the PC's overall performance. So, in order to boost performance on a PC and maybe reduce or stop the noise, you can use a tool like CCleaner. For example, CCleaner is a free tool and a pretty good tool that I personally use on a daily basis, where you can just scan your PC's health. You can have a custom scan. So if you don't want your downloads deleted, if you don't want your, for example, recycle bin emptied out, and any preferences you might have, you can have a custom clean, and it will just run the cleaner. And well, I'm not gonna close those programs right now because I need them. And then you can just let the program do its work. It will tell you what parts you can clean up. As you can see, I have some cookies to clean up, some browsing history, and some temporary internet files. This can boost performance, as well as you need to locate where the sound is coming from. So if you can open up your PC and you can check if it's the hard drive or the fans. You need to clean out your fans, optimize your software, and if that doesn't work, honestly, you need to go into a more thorough examination of your PC and your PC parts and see what can be upgraded to either boost performance or boost airflow. Good luck.